We'll demonstrate shaped buttonhole stitch. It uses same technique as buttonhole stitch. Come up at right line end. Take down vertically below it. Don't pull thread tight. Leave a loop on fabric. You can hold it down with finger to prevent it from moving. Come up about half stitch distance on upper line. Because we want to stitch tight buttonholes. Stitch spacing shouldn't be too far apart. Try to present closely packed state. Each stitch takes down close to previous stitch. Same way, don't pull tight. Like this, close to previous stitch. Let needle come through loop. Forming tightly connected buttonhole state. Continue taking down below. Note when taking down, each stitch must take down on lower line. This way it presents its shape. If stitching outside or inside, the finished shape won't have this effect. The stitched pattern won't look attractive. Same for upper line. Each time coming up must be on the line. This way ensures stitched pattern matches the drawn design. When stitching, hold this thread with left hand. This makes stitching more convenient. Otherwise, this thread will move around and obstruct our stitching. Shaped buttonhole stitch. Like buttonhole stitch, also perfect for stitching lace embroidery or clothing seam edges. A great choice. Other side uses same method. Final stitch. Take down close to outer edge. Now we've completed shaped buttonhole stitch. Let's see the overall finished effect.